Welcome. If you want to pair your Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic from Xiaomi to your Android smartphone, for the first you have to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. So click on the icon, then tap and hold it. Right now we are in the settings of the Bluetooth. So let's just show us the list. And right now we can open the charging case. Put it off of the charging case, both earbuds. And right now we have to press for the 1 second, press and hold until this light will blink on the white color. So let's tap on it. Okay, right now it is blinking. And in a few moments you are going to find the earbuds in these available devices. So let's refresh. And here we got our Mi True Wireless Basics. So click here to pair them. And click on the pair one more time to accept. And right now, as you can see, they are in the paired devices. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.